$15 tree bathroom makeover. Okay, this should be interesting. So this bathroom definitely looks like it needs some upgrading. Whoa, they have contact marble paper at the dollar store now? I had no idea. Wow, black shower head. So I'm guessing they spray painted this black. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So next up we have someone painting their lamp. Looks like they're doing their lamp shade. Oh, that looks really pretty. Kind of looks like leather. That looks like contact paper. Wow. All right, so then we move on to DIY number 3. This is like they might be making some type of table tray here. So they have some black paint. I feel like this could be a mirror, like if you just painted this black and then just put like a little round mirror in the center, or even a square one. Ooh, that would look kind of cool. On this channel, I give you a lot of ideas to play around with. Just FYI for any of the new people watching. Okay, so she painted that black. And she does add some material here. I like the color scheme. This is kind of like a modern meets boho style DIY. And see, simple little like tweaks like this is just a great example of how you can upgrade something kind of boring and make it more like your style. This is an absolutely beautiful table tray design that she did here. And I really like that wooden piece that she did with the garland too. That is really pretty. I bet you she made that as well. All right, so then we move on to the next one. This one features some action items. You can grab this same little like clear glass vase from the dollar store or cylinder, whatever you want to call it. Oh, she got 2 different sizes here. So she's making like a little candle design. And then of course you put the candle in the middle. Alright, so moving on, we have someone here with some type of TV dinner tray. Or table tray, whatever you want to call it. Oh wow, some nice wood underneath there. So she's painting that black. Painting the wood black on the base. Oh, just the top portion, okay. On the bottom, it looks like she's doing a wood stain. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. And she's adding that bamboo style placemat. Some more stain. I feel like it's all about the details when you're making these projects, like making sure that you add in personalization. And she's using it as like a nice little side table pretty much. That's cute. She decorated it. I love the color scheme of this. Very pretty. Easy Potter DIY. Oh, we have some lanterns. Okay, let's see what she ends up making with these items. Okay, so she's adding some red here. Doing like some stripes. Now, if you didn't have a printer, you could paint this. So I see birds here, some type of door, window. Looks like she might be making a lighthouse of some sort. Now she said that this is easy, but to be honest, I think this is more like semi-easy. I mean, if you don't have the printer, you would definitely have to paint this. This is cute though. Oh, wow. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, I love this idea. Very cute. Alright, you guys, so I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.